Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we got Carlos's CRG Cadet. We will be working on his motor mount currently, since as you can see, he does not have much clearance between the wheel and the air filter. So because of that, we will be replacing it with a angled slider mount by Performance Manufacturing. You're first going to want to start off with taking off these two bottom clamps right here. It's just 4 bolts for this engine. And these clamps allow you to take off the engine as well as the mount and the chain. Now, finally, after taking off the clamps, you can start by taking off the chain. Then you're going to take off these 2 bolts that attach the motor to the mount, and you have 2 in the back and 2 in the front. We finally took off the motor mount. As you can see, it's practically flat with hardly any angle. So let's move on to the slider mount. Here we got everything taken out of the box. We got the hardware as well as the clamps, the motor mount, and the slider plate. I'm putting a little bit of Loctite on the 4 motor bolts. I just finished putting on the 4 bolts. Let it slide side to side. We currently have it all the way to the right. And now I'm going to put Loctite on the plate that lets it slide front to back. I just installed the top slider plate onto the motor. Finally, we have the motor on the slider mount. As you can see, it slides forward as well as back. And we have the clearance for the air filter. All that left to do is laser line the chain, but we're going to do that in a separate video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.